Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to link bank account to Fidelity investment. So this is really easy. You can do through the website, which you can see here over your screen right now. So here you have to log in into your Fidelity bank account and visit the website and enter it. If you don't know where, let me just show you. Okay, and this is a Fidelity website here. Sometimes it's take a little bit of time here to load, and here you can just go and click on open your account or log in into your account. Right, now go to the account and trade tabs to the top menu. Once you logged in, from the drop down menu, select banking and cash management. Look for the option to link a bank account within the banking section. You will need to provide your bank routing number and your account number. Ensure that you have accurate information to avoid any issues during the linking process. Fidelity may require you to verify your identity through a security code, which they will send through text or phone call. This step is crucial, right? So make sure you have to fill this up. After entering your bank details and verifying your identity, follow any additional prompt to finalize linking your bank account. Fidelity may use micro deposit for the verification, which involves small amount being temporarily deposited into your bank account. Once linked, you can easily transfer funds between your bank account and Fidelity for investment or withdrawal. If you encounter an issue, consider contacting Fidelity customer service for assistance. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.